Menteri Keterat Pulih Putih Kejela Rakkam Sangma uloong buradap ai kedor khas Menteri Rangbah Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ban kerpat ban poyek lentirel nam mendi pathar Baghmara lengba kananggal bibra lani ketura dikrikila dalu pat kiwe-kiwe jaka. Kumta Menteri Rangbah on sushim kia kini kakam ke sorkar pedeng ban Wanrah lentirel hari lom garo. Rakkam Sangma ulepen pau begijing mentoy kinuan na gijing penyesok lentirel haduh Baghmara bat plela de kejela ban penyak yo ya gimar pok kendo bat gimar kimata kiba penmi na kejela. Rakkam Sangma uloong ru ba kalentirel kanuan ra ru ya ki kam penroy hagaliang ki karkana ki kam jing okai pertai karap karyang kalet kawan bat kibai-kibai.
To extend the connection of railway from Medipata to Baghmara is by a Nongalbibra or by a Tura, like Tura, Tikrikilla, Karupada, Dalu to Baghmara. It's up to the government proposal. So why we need in the look, if you look back the pre-independence, right? In the pre-independence, so the India and the like East Pakistan was well connected in literally not through rain, right? So like look, we were flourishing in business before. But after the partition happened with India and Bangladesh or the Pakistan, so we cannot do business anymore. We have many natural resources, many agricultural products that we cannot sell our product. So look, if you talk about suppose if the situation arises in Bangladesh, our main market, especially for Meghalaya, would have been the Bangladesh, right? But in view of political situation at present, it's a different story. But if the situation is different, if it is normal, right, so Bangladesh would have been a good market for Northeast, for the Midlands. Therefore, in that connection, look, we cannot isolate the livelihood of our people is very important. The population are growing, and employment is growing very huge. And tomorrow we're gonna face the employment crisis. It is not the question of India or Meghalaya; it's a global challenge for every nation. So we should have open more opportunity, right? So like the market is the things that we look for. So therefore, look, many young people want to engage in the business, be it in tourism, be it in agriculture, be it in transport, in be it industry, in any industry. Look, this government jobs are very limited. However, there's every action is equal and opposite action. How much we have the more population, that much the employment opens more, right? Challenge open more, right? Therefore, how much earlier we don't have the hospital. There is no doctor. There is no disease also, except malaria and few are there. Today, we have many hospitals. Do all these hospitals solve all the diseases? No, it is not. How much hospital came up? How much medical institutions came? How much doctor we have increased more? That much the I mean what do you call that? Disease also has increased, which is beyond the understanding of many medical experts even today. Right? Suppose in Corona, it was a surprise for everybody. No philosopher, no scientist, no medical expert who solved it. Right? It's just physics theory, Newton third law was always applied. Every action is a current consideration. So therefore, as the world goes on, we need to, as a government, we need to find the ways to make how to make young people to engage in exploring the finding the ways for livelihood. With that intention, we have requested our and the chief minister. So if 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 this can be connected, if it is possible, so I think I don't know the after, but Honorable Chief will definitely take up the matter with the government of India. So we have we have requested.